Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're out here. We got a D race DRC, little a little expensive. We gotta fix this drive shaft, a little bent. We're gonna pull it out and then just kind of hammer it back, fix it. But yeah, it's a little Amazon. We took it to the skate park. So yeah. So if you like this video, hit the like. If you want to see any more of these videos, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. And yeah, thank you for checking this out. We're just gonna do a little repair job. All right, thank you. All right, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you. Check you out later.